Good morning, everyone. My name is Varshit. Today I'm going to talk about Jupiter and Saturn. What are planets? A planet is a large celestial body that evolves around Sun in fixed orbits. The word planet means wanderer. Planets do not have any lights of their own and don't reflect like stars. Planets rotate and revolve around stars. Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. It is a gas planet with a mass 1000 that of the Sun. Jupiter is one of the brightest objects visible to naked eye. In the night sky, Jupiter is primarily composed of hydrogen with a quarter of its mass being helium, though only about a tenth of the number of molecules of helium. It may also have a rocky core of heavier elements. Jupiter was discovered in 1610, a giant storm that is known to have existed since at least the 17th century. When it was first seen by telescope, Jupiter has almost 100 known moons and possibly many more, including the four large Galilean moons discovered by Galileo Galilei in 1610. Jupiter and its satellites. Pioneer 10 was the first spacecraft to visit Jupiter, making its closest approach to the planet in December 1973. Pioneer 10 identified plasma in Jupiter's magnetic field and also found that Jupiter's magnetic tail is nearly 800 million kilometers long. Jupiter has been explored by robotic spacecraft, beginning with Pioneer and Voyager flyby missions from 1973 to 1979, and later by Galileo orbiter, which arrived at Jupiter in 1995. Jupiter's surface. Jupiter's upper atmosphere is about 90% hydrogen and 10% helium. By percent volume of gas molecules, Jupiter's atmosphere approximately 75% hydrogen and 24% helium by mass, with the remaining 1% of the mass consisting of other elements. Jupiter is the only planet whose barycenter with the Sun lies outside the volume of the Sun. Though by only 7% of the Sun's radius, the average distance between Jupiter and the Sun is 778 million kilometers and it completes an orbit every 11.86 years. Jupiter and its myths. The Romans called it the star of Jupiter as they believed it to be sacred to the principal god of Roman mythology, whose name comes from the Proto Indo European vocative compound Deu Pater, meaning father sky god. In turn, Jupiter was the counterpart of the mythical Greek Zeus, also referred to as Dias. The ancient Greeks knew the planet as Pantheon, meaning shining one or blazing star. Jupiter was the god of thunder, lightning, and storms. Jupiter's moons. The moons discovered by Galileo, Io, Europe, and Ganymede and Callisto are among the largest in the solar system. The pattern known as Laplace resonance for every four orbits in Ganymede makes exactly one. This resonance causes the gravitational effects of the three large moons to distort their orbits into elliptical shapes. Because each moon receives an extra tug from its neighbors at the same point in every orbit, it makes the tidal force from Jupiter, on the other hand, works to circularize their orbits. These are the moons of Jupiter. Great Red Spot. The best known feature of Jupiter is the Great Red Spot, a persistent anticyclonic storm that is larger than Earth. Located 22 degrees south of the equator, it is known to have existed since at least 1831 impossible since 1665. Images by the Hubble Space Telescope have shown two red spots adjacent to the Great Red Spot. Saturn. History of Saturn, named after Zeus' father. 22 rings have been named, moons named after other gods. Sixth planet from the Sun, next to Jupiter, Uranus. Distance from the Sun is 8,500 million miles. What is the planet like? Second largest planet from our solar system has 60 moons. Name of some moons are Titan, Dione, Mimas, Enceladus, Rias, and Theas, and etc. Very cold weather, very icy surface. Half of Saturn has many storms that scientists name Storm Alley. Space missions on Saturn. Pioneer 11 made the first flyby of Saturn in September 1979 when it passed within 20,000 kilometers of the planet's cloud tops. Images were taken of the planet and a few of its moons. In November 1980, the Voyager 1 probe visited the Saturn system. It sent back the first high resolution images of the planet, the rings and satellites. Almost a year later, in August 1981, Voyager 2 continued the study of the Saturn system. The Cassini-Huygens Space Cassini's flyby of Saturn's largest moon, Titan, captured radar images of large lakes and their coastlines, with numerous islands and mountains. Probe entered orbit around Saturn on 1st July 2004. Saturn and its moons. Saturn has 82 known moons, 53 of which are formal names. Saturn has hundreds of moonlets with diameter 40 to 500 meters. Titan, the largest moon, comprises more than 90% of the mass in orbit around Saturn, including the rings. Saturn's second largest moon, Rhea, may have tenuous ring system of its own. Along with the tenuous atmosphere, life in Saturn and Jupiter. While planet Jupiter is an unlikely place for living things to take hold, the space is the same is not true of some of its many moons. Europa is one of the likeliest places to find life. There is evidence of a vast ocean just beneath its icy crust. The planet is compressed almost entirely hydrogen and helium with only trace amounts of water ice in its lower cloud deck. In Saturn's moon, Titan has lakes and seas of hydrocarbons throughout to the precursors of life. Facts about Jupiter and Saturn. To the Babylonians, this object represented their god Marduk. The Roman called it the star of Jupiter, as they believed it to be sacred of, to the principal god of Roman mythology, whose name Deu Pater. Saturn's surface consists of liquids and gases. Saturn's rings are made out of ice, being reflected by the sun's light. Rings around Saturn don't travel at the same rate. Thank you.